So as I mentioned, what is service-based marketing versus selfish-based marketing? Well, if you've ever read or heard about servant leadership, you know, the idea is to serve others, right? You actually get fulfillment. Think about any time that you volunteered or you went to help somebody out. You didn't expect anything in return. You had zero expectations. That is service-based leadership, service-based marketing, service-based entrepreneurship, those types of situations. Because if you go and volunteer somewhere, right, you're going to volunteer your time. You are not expecting anything in return. However, we do get fulfillment from that, so there is a return on that, but it's almost it's kind of like in the good karma range, right? You know if you put good out there, that good will come back to you, but that's really common sense. But ideally, it's you want to give something without having an expectation.